Hi, I'm Fernando Gomez, the owner of Rohnert Park Transmission and Auto Repair. We proudly serve Sonoma County with top-notch auto repair services and expert transmission work. Our skilled team is dedicated to getting your vehicle back on the road quickly and safely. Stop by and experience our commitment to quality. We are shaping our future today. As the world evolves, we stay ahead by embracing innovation. We're integrating AI into our core operations to deliver faster, better service. The future is now, and we're moving forward with confidence.